Okay, it is Thursday. We just got done putting, let me turn this around, just got done putting all the chrome around the wheel wells on the Barracuda, or the Cuda. Got those in. We're working on the carburation. We've got to get the rear adjusted first and then adjust the front. And that'll solve the issue we're having. We also have got the cross member fabricated for the transmission on here. So that tells me we need to install it and see how it looks. Let's go do that now. Okay, cross member is in. Looks a little low. That's fully dropped. So I'm thinking we're good on that. Bends are in it for the exhaust, so the exhaust will go inside of it. Looks good. I'm liking it. Okay, cross member is in. So now we have got to do some work. We ran into an issue. We replaced a power steering box with a power steering rack and used the old power steering pump. And never ran into this before, but as soon as we start the car up and filled it with fluid, the car wanted to make a left turn or a right turn, like by itself. Almost broke my arm. So now I have to get a restrictor valve for the back of the power steering pump. So once we do that, we'll be in good shape. All right, guys. Get a nice far shot. You guys take it easy, like and subscribe, and keep an eye on what we're doing. We're gonna have some fun here soon.